Hi, welcome to Eat, Pray, Love and Tarot. So, Saturn goes direct in Aquarius from 7:51 p.m. November 15th, 2024 and remains there till 29th March 2025 before it moves to Pisces. So, let's see how the energy shifting is going, this transit, this energy shifting is going to affect your energy. Collective reading, so take what resonates. Genderless reading, because energies don't have any gender. And timeless reading, because, of course, till Saturn moves to Pisces, that is on end of March 2025. If you are watching this video anytime before that, this might resonate with you. So let's, not so fast, let's do a shuffle and start with 3 cards. Let's see what this transit is going to bring you. Okay. 2 more. Another. Not so many. Okay. So Ganesha, Ojas and Asana on the reverse. Let me show you the cards first. Ganesha, Ojas, Asana on the reverse. Okay, so Ganesha, of course, new beginning, success, everything is there, but for that you have to overcome the roadblocks, and these roadblocks are not outside. It's the vrittis, the fluctuations of the mind, that is what is inside. So this Saturn transit, there will be fluctuations of your mind. There will be a lot of roadblocks that you might experience, not from the outside, but roadblocks of your own vrittis. You have to calm your mind, you have to focus, you have to prioritize what needs your attention, what does not need your attention. I feel that my collectives here are a kind of, they have this obsession about perfection. I won't name that disorder, because it's not a disorder. It's just that it springs from your childhood trauma. Maybe your primary caregivers always expected you to do everything perfectly, and that stayed. But nothing is perfect. That is the truth. The perfect truth is that nothing is perfect. So, sab kuch, you have to do everything perfectly. You have to put your attention into everything. Is chakkar mein you are missing out the point. You are missing out what needs your attention. You are missing out the new roads that are unblocking in front of you, that will lead to your success, to your destination. सब कुछ संभाल नहीं पाओगे आप. You are a human being. Admit it. You have your limitations, you have your capabilities, so you can't handle everything perfectly or everything simultaneously. So stop multitasking, stop taking unnecessary burdens, stop paying your attention to everything and everyone. This Saturn will test you. Saturn will test you. Will test कि कितना सीखा है. ये जो इतने साल से तुमको घिस रहे हैं हम, तो कितना सीखे हो. Saturn will, it's kind of a test. Of course, whether this transit, whether this energy will be good or bad for you depends on how you treat it. It's in your hands. You know, the universe always offers us a buffet. वो जो हम लोग चिल्लाते रहते हैं ना, free will नहीं है, free will नहीं है, free will यही है कि there will be the buffet. You can choose your food. You can choose what you want to eat. But उसका खाने का effect क्या होगा, consequence क्या होगा, that will be for the universe to decide. क्या खाने से आप हेल्दी रहोगे, क्या खाने से आपको एलर्जी हो जाएगी या फिर आपका पेट खराब होगा, that the universe will decide. You can eat whatever you want to, but you will be you are nothing but the consequences of your choices and actions. So choose wisely. अच्छा चुनोगे अपने बेहतरी के. Okay, focus on yourself. Choose what is good for you. नहीं कि वो नहीं मैं सैक्रिफाइस करने जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ लोगों के लिए. अच्छा बनो, आप भगवान नहीं हो. प्रायोरिटाइज योरसेल्फ. पहले अपना देखो. जो अपने आप को खुश नहीं रख सकता है वो किसी को भी खुश नहीं रख सकता है. दैट इज द हार्ड ट्रूथ. सो प्रायोरिटाइज योर हैप्पीनेस, योर जर्नी फर्स्ट. Of course, I'm not asking you to be selfish. Saturn won't let you to be selfish. Selfish बनना चाहोगे तो 2 थप्पड़ लगाएंगे और रास्ते पे ले आएंगे. It's not about selfish. It's all about self-worth, self-love. It's all about prioritizing yourself. आपको ये जो body मिला है, ये जो life मिला है आपको, ये universe का gift है, so that you can take care of yourself. जो घर साफ नहीं रख सकता है वो आसपास क्या साफ रखेगा, और अगर साफ रखता भी है तो that will be an hypocrisy. So choose wisely. This is one. Ojas. Of course, your health needs attention. This Saturn transit, you might, some of my, this is not for everyone, this is a collective reading, so take what resonates. Your healing will be delayed. Your healing will be delayed. If you are undergoing some health issues, some lingering problems, mental health, physical health, even financial health, whatever health issue you are dealing with, that resolution of that issue will be delayed. So it will take time, but you will heal. Your situation will heal. Like Saturn is a slow moving planet, so yeah, it will be delayed, but you know what, with time it will move for better. It won't go worse. It will move for better, but it will be delayed. Saturn will check your patience and your consistency and dedication. How disciplined and dedicated, how consistent and patient you are. Asana on the reverse. Definitely you are ignoring yourself for a long time. As a result, we are, like I said, we all have to face our karma, good, bad, early, whatever. Good, bad, ugly, whatever. So yeah, you are facing your karma. Whatever is happening with you is your karma. So all the frustration that you are facing right now, all the delays that you are facing right now, all the health issues that you are facing right now is your karma, because you kept ignoring that. You kept ignoring the issues in your life, and you are more focused on others. You are more focused on serving others. You are ignoring your well-being, overall well-being. Also, this is an extra card that jumped. That is why I was taking a moment to digest it. What the fuck? Ma chinna masta. कुछ गलत हो रहा है. Something is terribly wrong in your life. Either someone is doing wrong to you, or someone is doing wrong to someone else, and you are remaining blindfolded towards it. You are just closing your eyes and choosing not to see it. क्योंकि आपको झमेले में नहीं पड़ना है, क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप लड़ नहीं पाओगे, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि कोई फायदा नहीं है. I am too weak for that. Remember, Saturn, Shani Dev is the giver of karma, is the god of justice. गलत जो कर रहा है वो गलत है, गलत जो सह रहा है वो उससे भी गलत है, ज्यादा गलत है, और जो गलत होते देख के भी चुप है, चाहे वो खुद के साथ हो या किसी और के साथ, वो सबसे गलत है. Now you may ask me, in today's world it's no point. There are so many instances where I raise my voice, protest, and I have to pay the price for it. Why take a risk? Of course, dekh lo whether you are actually raising your voice for a genuine cause or not. At times, often, the victims are not victims, and the culprits are not culprits. जो दिखता है वो हमेशा होता नहीं है. वी ऑल नो दैट बाय नाउ. So use your conscience and consciousness. You have been given a mind of your own for a reason. Buddhi. Use your buddhi. Use your logic. Use your common sense. Use your intuition power. So, but और वैसे भी दूसरों के साथ क्या हो रहा है बात के छोड़ो. आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है? Are you standing up for yourself? No. Then you can never get out of this darkness. Then you remain in your shit for life. If you can't raise up for yourself, if you are not standing for the injustice being done for yourself, jitna harna, it's not in your hands. Winning, losing, you don't need to worry about that. It's all about, see, Chinnamasta is the Devi of Veeras. It's not about winning. It's about how many times you get up every time you fall, till you are the only one standing in the entire battlefield. What you are doing for, see, ये जो देवी छिन्नमस्ता है, ये सर इसके जया और विजया को भूख लगी तो अपना सर काट के खून पिलाई, पर खुद भी पी. It's not that she was not satiating her hunger. She was also prioritizing herself. So you are not prioritizing yourself. You are, आपको ये जो विक्टिम प्ले करने में, आपको ये बेचारी प्ले करने में, आपको ये सुखी लाला बन के रहने में मजा आ रहा है. Voluntarily or involuntarily. Sorry if it sounds rude, but I have to say what the cards are trying to convey. So this is the fact that it's like आपको आपकी तरफ से कोई और आपकी लड़ाई कोई और लड़ दे. मैं तो बहुत बेचारा हूँ या बेचारी हूँ, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं तो फीबल हूँ, आई डोंट हैव दैट पावर, आई डोंट हैव दैट मनी, आई डोंट हैव दैट कॉन्टैक्ट्स. मैं नहीं लड़ सकती. कोई मेरे होके लड़ दे, मेरे साथ गलत हो रहा है, पर कोई मेरे होके लड़ दे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो भगवान तुम सही करो. ओके, गॉड हेल्प दोज ओनली हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. आप पहले कोशिश करो. हारोगे जीतोगे ये आप पर नहीं है, आप बस डटे रहो. बाकी यूनिवर्स का काम यूनिवर्स को करने दो. डू योर कर्मा एंड सरेंडर. दैट इज योर धर्मा. धर्मा इज स्पिरिचुअल राइटियसनेस. एंड हमेशा ये बोला जाता है कि धर्म सबसे आगे या कर्म सबसे आगे. मैं मानती हूँ कि धर्म सबसे आगे है. बाय धर्म आई डोंट मीन रिलीजन, इट्स स्पिरिचुअल राइटियसनेस. बिकॉज इवन भगवद गीता starts with dharma kshetra kurukshetra, starts with the word dharma and ends with the word mama. So it's mama dharma. It's all about your spiritual righteousness, and your spiritual righteousness is your karma. So you do your bit, let the and surrender. यही तो भक्ति योग है. कर्म योग और भक्ति योग तो यही है. आप अपना कर्म करके surrender to the universe, let the universe take over, but you are not doing your bit. So what's it? Sorry, I need to sneeze. माँ किचन में किसी वो तड़का लगा रही है ऐसा कुछ तो. Anyway, so this is it. This is what it is. You will face your karma if you are not standing up for what is being done wrong to you. At least, even if you fail, try. Even if you fail, you will have that happiness, that contentment, that fulfillment, that okay, I tried and I failed. Rather than having the regret कि कोशिश करते तो शायद हो जाता, तो शायद मुझे जस्टिस मिल जाती. इससे बेटर तो ये है कि कोशिश करके हार जाओ. Celebrate with biryani and vodka in orange juice or whatever you are up to. I'm not promoting any वो वेज नॉन वेज का कुछ नहीं है. वैसे ऐसे ही आया तो मैंने बोल दिया. So this Saturn transit, either you stand up for what is going wrong in your life, stand up for the injustice being done to you or to others around you. That includes animals also. मैं बिरयानी बोल दिया क्योंकि यहाँ वो करीम्स का दुकान है तो वही देख के अचानक मन में आया. बट अगेन आई एम नॉट कमेंटिंग ओवर फूड हैबिट्स. श्री राम और श्री कृष्ण भी नॉन वेज ही थे. You can slam me for that, but our scriptures, our Vedas are our scriptures bear that proof that they also were non-veg takers. So I'm not going into that. But animal cruelty, it's not about what I practice. it's not about my choices, it's about general. I'm talking about general things. So एनिमल, मैं वेज हूँ इसका मतलब मैं नॉन वेज को गुनाह मानती हूँ या फिर वाइसी वर्सा, ऐसा नहीं है. सो व्हाटएवर, इन ऑल, अगर आपके साथ बुरा हो रहा है या फिर आपके आसपास के लोगों के साथ, इवन पेड़ के साथ, पेड़ पौधों के साथ, जानवरों के साथ, किसी के साथ भी अगर गलत हो रहा है और अगर आप चुप बैठे हो, तो इस सैटर्न ट्रांजिट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट योर कर्मा. लेट मी सी, ये तो आपका रहा, ये तो आपका हिसाब किताब रहा. What about those who are doing you wrong? अगर, let me see, if you stand up for yourself, अगर कोई आपके साथ गलत कर रहा है and you are standing for yourself, उसके against खड़े हो रहे हो, voice up कर रहे हो, if you are doing your karma, what this Saturn transit will bring for your enemies? Let me check. गलत तो आपके साथ हो रहा है. दिस इज द 4 ऑफ wands. दिस इज वो ट्रेडिशनल डेक में क्या होता है, 4 खंबे होते हैं. दैट इज द टिपिकल 1-11-11 कार्ड. दैट इज द मैनिफेस्टेशन कार्ड. आप मैनिफेस्ट तो कर रहे हो, आपका दिल तो बहुत गंदी तरह से दुखा है, कुछ तो, या फिर आपके आसपास कुछ गलत हो रहा है जिसके वजह से यू आर सैड. इट इज अफेक्टिंग यू एंड यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग जस्टिस. डेफिनेटली यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग जस्टिस. बट सिर्फ मैनिफेस्टेशन से कुछ नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू टेक एक्शन ऑल्सो इवन इफ यू फील समवन और सम disbalance, some unequal give and take going on in your life or around you. कोई दिए जा रहा है, कोई लिए जा रहा है. Someone is using someone. Of course, someone might be using you also. So what karma is awaiting them? What karma is awaiting them this Saturn transit? Don't be surprised if they face public lynching. सड़क पे घसीट के उन लोगों को पीटा जा सकता है. Lots of conflicts have already started in their life, and that will intensify this Saturn transit from November 15th to March 29th next year. March 19th या 29th. Just check the end of March. I don't know. I'm just getting up. So end of March. Yeah. So by end of March, उनकी जिंदगी में too many लड़ाइयाज and झगड़ाज, and they will be literally, मतलब सड़क पे उनको लेटा के पीटा भी जा सकता है. Don't be surprised if that happens. They will try to move forward. They will try to continue with the injustice they are doing. They will continue with their wrongdoing, but they will reach nowhere. See, this chariot is a forward moving card, but these 2 horses are heading towards 2 different directions. So scattered energies, lots of confusion, lots of delays. This is what is waiting for them. But you have to take the action. You have to stand up. Even if you fail, you have to raise your voice. You have to keep fighting for your rights, for the rights of others around you who matters, who can't voice up for their, like voiceless animals, plants, children. What else? Totally mind fucked. They will be totally mind fucked. Don't be surprised if some of them also land up in a mental hospital. Their head will be like bursting with negative thoughts, chaos, confusion, aggression, stress, anxiety. They will be totally mind fucked. दिमाग का पूरा एकदम कचरा बन चुका होगा. वैसे भी कचरा वाला ही दिमाग है. Page of Pentacles. They will repent somewhere. उन लोगों को लगेगा कि छोटा मोटा कोई ऑफर दे देते, कोई कमिटमेंट दे देते तो इस झमेले से बच जाते. दे विल ऑल्सो बी वेरी, दे विल बी अवेयर दैट उनको जो कर्मा मिल रहा है वो इसीलिए है कि आपके साथ या फिर जिनके साथ भी उन्होंने बुरा किया है उसके, मे बी यू आर जस्ट 2%. उन्होंने, हो सकता है मे बी दे हैव डन wrong to so many people. Maybe you are just 2% out of them, but whatever, they will know that they are getting their karma. Shanidev is doing justice. So they will want but they will again see, 1 foot up 1 foot down. They will be undecided कि अभी बहुत देर हो गई है, आऊं या ना आऊं, ऑफर दूं या ना दूं. Doesn't matter, because what harm they have done you is beyond repair. Yeah, again 2 pages, page of pentacles, page of cups. They will be under too many illusions. They will be daydreaming about unrealistic, of course daydreamings are unrealistic situations, but too many unrealistic fantasies will go on inside their head कि ऐसा वो ये कहती तो मैं ये कहता, तो वो ये कहती, वो होता तो ऐसा होता, वो होती तो ऐसे होते, and blah 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 whatever shit, like all in their heads. They will just go, पागल हो जाएगा इतना सोचेगा कि. On the other hand, I think time has come to close this reading, because the closing cards are here. Lovers and 2 of Cups. This Saturn transit will reward you if you stand up for yourself, if you stand up for the rights of others who need your help, if you stand up against injustice. It will be a fulfilling experience, despite the delays, despite the roadblocks, despite everything. Initially it might be a rocky road, but by once January is here, January onwards, you will start reaping the rewards of your good karma. Love will be there, your heart will be healed, you will have successful partnership in terms of personal and professional life, you will feel complete in yourself, love will restore in your life, you will be in a happy place. So yeah, this is what the Saturn transit is bringing you. But the bottom of the deck is 3 of Swords. Someone has done a major injustice to you. Stand up for yourself. All the rewards only if you work towards it, only if you do your karma. Take care.